Hi guys, welcome back to this video editing video. This is our third episode of showing you around the app so you can know what we are doing. So in today's video we are going to start from where we stop and make sure you follow as you go. I believe everybody know delete. Look at it. I believe everybody understand what is meant to call delete here. I believe everybody know the volume. I believe everybody know that one. So let's talk about background, speed and animation. Okay, so background, now you can change this background. Okay, you can change this background. Now I'm zooming this video so you can see that there is black background behind this my video, and I want you guys to look very well. Now that black background, I can change this to red. I can change this to any color. I can change it to anything I want to change this to. You understand? I just have to pick one from this place. Okay, I just have to pick one for all this place and then make it background. All right, so if you don't want to use that one, you can also use your picture. Look at it. You can also use your own picture. Go. See, you come and clean this place. That arrow come. When you clean that place, you can select the picture of yours that you want to use. Okay, I can just select anyone. Let me see. I can select anyone. You can see now that it is my picture that is behind that place. Okay, that is all about what is called about background. Now let's talk about speed. Let's assume you have let's talk about speed. Let's assume you have a video that is very slow and you want it to fast very well. Okay, you can just come to speed here and you increase the fast. Okay, so let's assume you have the video that is too fast, that you want it to be slow. You can just drag it back, it will be slow. You can just be checking it the way you are dragging it. Okay, that's all about now. All right, that's all about now about speed. Now let's talk about animation. You may be seeing some video like fading. You can see, you may be seeing some video like fading like this. You just come, and that this is how they are doing it too. You can just take your time and check how they do it. This is out one, this is combo. We have a lot of different. Look at it. You can see. You can just take your time to. Under the loop we have another one. You can see under the loop we have another one. Under the combo we have another one. Under the in we have another one. Under the out you have another one. Okay, so you can just check anyone you wish with yourself. Okay, don't worry, I'm gonna teach you anything you need to know. Now after that one, let's go to AI codes. The AI code work is to help you adjust your work. You understand? This one actually work on only video, but right now I don't have any video on my phone. When you click on it, it will only bring one thing. So if you don't bring that thing, you just have to do what? You just have to start now. This one is AI this thing. So before you can use it, you have to pay. You have to pay money. It will help you adjust your video. It will help you do everything you need to do. Now another one is crop. Let us mean you want to crop this video. I believe some people may know what crop means. You want to adjust this. You can see this one now. I can adjust it back. I can drag it back. So when I cut it like that, it will become. You can see that it became my video. So this one, if you want to crop a video, you should know how to do it. Maybe the video is too long, the video is too big, you want to crop it to normal size. So if you are watching my previous video all the way from this side, I have explained them, so you can do it by yourself. And another one is switch. This switch now, if you want to send overlay, I have teach people about overlay. If you want to send overlay, like you want to put I have teach people about overlay now. If you want to send this thing to overlay, you can see this is overlay now. You can see this one now. The video down there has been sent over here. You can see we have another video down here. We have another video this place. If I remove it, you can see now. You can see now. So that's how it is. Let me edit it. So another one is enhance. This enhance is premium. It will help you readjust color grade your video. You understand? It will help you color grade your video. To help you do everything that you need to do instead of stressing yourself. AI will do it for you. And another one we have here is called stabilizer. The stabilizer work is to make your, assuming you have a video and you seated bend, the way you sit it dey bend, the way you sit it dey bend, the way you talk, it depends. You want to make the stabilizer work. When you click on the stabilizer, you will choose portrait. You will still use it, but I will still do video about it. Another one is cutout. It tells me you want to make a background of your picture. You can see I'm coming. Let me change the background. Let me bring another picture so you can see that there is a way to do it. Let me bring another picture. Sorry. So let's assume this is my picture and I want to remove the background. I will just, this one is for, I'm telling you now, this one is for remove background, cut out. You can see that it remove the background completely. You see that. See that it remove the background. You want to see how people remove, that's how people remove background. You can see. It doesn't have background now. It doesn't have a single background. Okay, another one we have here. Another one we have here is called marks. So the work of marks, you can see the work of marks now. I see the work of marks. You can see. I just text any of this thing. I just test them. I will do the video, special video about it, but I just want to show you around the app so you will know what you have. You can just test any one of them. And another one we have is opacity. I believe there's some people know opacity. The rate to down, come up. Because when you drag it and the thing will go, the showing, the length of showing. Another one is replace. I believe you know replace. Maybe you want to change the video, want to change the picture. I just when I change it to something else. As you can see, another one is voice effects. This one only work for video. If you want to change the voice effect, you can just look at it very well and make sure that it work. Another one is duplicate. If you want to duplicate this thing. Another one is rotate. If you want to rotate this thing, let me do the rotate first. You can see the way it's doing. So another one is freeze. If you want to delete something, this one is the airport freeze thing. So we have a reverse here. And we have also eraser. The eraser is not for anything, it's for create this thing. So it's only work for keyframe. So that's how this thing works. So let's assume you finish your video and you edit everything. This is how to export it. So you now export it. Make sure don't select 4K. Don't select 4K. Select 1800p, 1080p. That is the high resolution. If you select 4K, you won't be able to export it unless you are using a laptop. That's how this thing works. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.